Under steady state condition, find the unknown current I1, I2, and I3. Again, we have three circuits and they connect each other, but no worries, we can split as a three loop. So now, say this is first circuit, this one is second circuit, and third circuit. We can split and we can check step by step. Okay. Firstly, we need to show the current. Maybe we can start from first loop, first rule. First rule say junction rule. Okay. So look at this one. I2 is here. Okay. And I3 is coming from here. I want to clean this part. In this way we can see much better. Okay. This is I3, I1. Okay. Where is my junction? Junction is F point. And I3 is coming. And I2 and I1 are leaving. Isn't it? Yes. So can I say I3 equal I1 plus I2. Okay. So, and then we can come second rule, which is loop rule. Okay. So loop rule says total delta V in loop equal total I multiply R in loop. Okay. We will use this part. We will use this formula, but I want to check firstly first circuit. I mean this part. Give me a second. I will make a loop. I can start from positive sign, and then I will continue. We will complete our loop. Okay. This is my first loop. So I will start with loop 1. Say loop 1. So in loop 1, which battery we have? This one. So I will say 4. Sorry. 4. Is there any other battery in this loop? No, there isn't other battery. So I can continue with the other side. I will check this one. So I will start my loop, and then is there any resistor here? No, there isn't resistor, but there is resistor with this one. Okay. Which current I have? I2 on the 3 ohm. So look at their direction. If their direction are same, I will take the positive sign. So 3 I2, I will continue with my loop and I will come here and look at their current. Their current direction are same. Loop direction and current direction are same. So I will choose positive sign. Okay. And then I will continue. I will come here. Sorry, I forgot to write this one. Okay. And then, okay, I will complete my loop. Perfect. And then now I can continue with the second loop. Look at this part. I will start again battery from positive sign. Actually, it is arbitrary. You can start from minus sign or positive sign, whatever you like, you can use it. But I will start from here. And then I will continue. And then I will complete my loop. Can you see my loop direction? Yes, it's perfect. Again, sorry, say this is loop 2. And I will say, first I will start with battery part. I have 8 volts. Is there any other battery? No, there isn't other battery. So I can complete this part. I will come total loop current multiply resistor. So I will continue with my loop. I will come here and then yes, here look at the loop direction and current direction. Loop direction and current direction are opposite each other, so I will use minus sign. Minus sign 3 multiply which current I have, I2, okay. And then I will continue with my loop. I will come here, look at the loop direction and current direction are same. So I will say positive sign, 5 multiply I1. Actually, I have enough information to calculate because I know this part from junction rule and this part. So instead of I3, can I change this equation? Yes. Again, I will write my equation 3I2 plus 5. I will put to I3 with this format, I1 plus I2. Okay, so and then we can make tidy. 8I2 plus 5I1 4. Okay, this is say second equation. I will use first equation, which is this one. And if you put all information here, okay, this is math part, please solve it. And then when we put all information correctly, your I1 is 1.38 ampere. I2 is minus 0.36 and I3 is 1.02 ampere. So what's minus mean? It means in the question part, we can come here. Give me a second. I want to clean. In this way you can see much better. Look at the I2 direction. If you have minus result, it says your direction is wrong. You have to take opposite direction. So the correct direction of I2 is this one, which is right. The direction is going to right. Okay. So, and then you calculate the all curves. What's the next question? On B, section B. What is the charge on the capacitor? It is easy. Again, we will use same thing, but we will use same rule, loop rule. But I have to add extra information coming from capacitor. In capacitors, it will say Q over C gives Q over C gives potential, isn't it? If look at this part gives potential. Also, this part gives potential information. Of course, this potential is coming from the capacitor. Just I will add the second information for potential coming from capacitor. Okay, so just I have to add this part. It is easy. I will come here. So just I will show the loop. Again, I can start from positive sign and then I can continue. Oh, sorry. Give me a second. There are two battery here. So it is arbitrary. You can choose from, you can start your loop from here or from the other battery. But my preference is starting from bigger battery. So I will start my battery from here and then I will continue and then I will complete it like this. Okay. So again, I can write my information. Actually, in the question they choose, I think they choose from the minus sign. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Actually, I will follow my rule. So positive 8, you have positive 8. Again, give me a second, I want to clean. First I want to write the, maybe I can use this part. Give me a second. Yes, I have more space here. Okay, sorry. So you will use delta V in the loop, total delta V in the loop, and loop R plus Q over C. Okay, so your delta V, I start from here. And then I will complete my loop. So first I will start with the 8 volt, and then I will come here. Is it minus or positive sign? I don't know. I will see. We will see. What's the connection between two battery? It will start positive to minus. We like this. The battery connection. If the battery connection are opposite, yes, we will just sum them. So I will take this one as a 3 equal. There isn't any battery now, so I will continue. Is there any resistors here? No, there isn't resistor, so I will say 0. There isn't resistor information, so I will come to just this capacitor. I don't know Q, but I know C. Instead of C, be careful, you have to convert, instead of microfarad, you have to use farad. 6 multiply 10 to minus 8. And then Q will be, I don't know what it will be. Q will be 60. 10 to minus club. You can write it like this, or you can convert to microfarad. Okay. So your charge is this one. In the solution, in that solution, they take with minus. They start. I think they start from the other part. Doesn't matter. You can start from here or here. Just you need to change the sign. As I said, loop direction is yani tamamen arbitrary demek şey. Hani istediğiniz keyfi bir şey. İster bu taraftan sağdan başlarsınız, ister soldan başlarsınız. Ben işte artı kısmından, pozitif artıdan başladım. Yine sonuç aynı çıkacaksınız. Yalnızca yani neden eksi çıkartırsınız? Demek ki yönü ters seçmişsinizdir. Tamam. Bu soru bu şekilde.